Welcome to our video review of the DEWALT Pancake air compressor DWFP55126. In this video, we'll take a look at the features, benefits and overall value of this air compressor. So sit back, relax and let's get started. The DEWALT Pancake air compressor is a compact and portable air compressor that's designed for use in a variety of applications, including inflation, stapling, nailing, and more. It's made from high-quality materials and is engineered to provide reliable and consistent performance. The DEWALT Pancake air compressor features a 6-gallon tank and is powered by a high-efficiency motor that delivers up to 165 psi. It's also designed to be oil-free, which means that it requires little maintenance and is less likely to break down over time. One of the standout features of this air compressor is its low noise level. The compressor operates at just 75.5 dB, which makes it one of the quietest air compressor on the market today. This makes it ideal for use in indoor or noise-sensitive environments. When it comes to performance, the DEWALT Pancake air compressor delivers. It's capable to delivering up to 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi, which means that it can handle a variety of tasks with ease. Its high-efficiency motor helps to ensure that it provides reliable and consistent performance, and its oil-free design means that it requires little maintenance. In addition, the compressor's low noise level makes it a great option for use in indoor or noise-sensitive environments. Its compact and portable design also makes it easy to move from one job site to another. Overall, the DEWALT Pancake air compressor offers excellent value for money. It's priced competitively and is made from high-quality materials. Its low noise level, high-efficiency motor, and oil-free design make it a reliable and long-lasting option for a variety of applications. In summary, the DEWALT Pancake air compressor is a great option for anyone who needs a compact and portable air compressor for a variety of applications. Its high-efficiency motor and oil-free design make it reliable and long-lasting, while its low noise level makes it ideal for use in indoor or noise-sensitive environments. Overall, it's highly recommended for the DEWALT Pancake air compressor to anyone who needs a reliable and high-quality air compressor for their job site or workshop. That's it for our review today. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and updates. Thanks for watching.